now we are going to see the numerical problems. To see the numerical problems, we should know basic things. Object distance is always negative as per sign convention, as object is placed to the left side of the lens. For converging lens, focal length is positive. For diverging lens, focal length is negative. Now we see about the image distance. For converging lens, image distance is positive if on the opposite side, the image is on the opposite side as the object, means it gives a real image. If the image distance is negative if on the same side, so image distance we considered negative if the image is forms on the same side as the object. So it is now we get the virtual image. For diverging lens, focal length it is negative, image distance is negative, then we get virtual image. The image is formed on the same side as the object. So these things we should know before we enter to the numerical problem. First problem, an object is placed at a distance 20 cm from a convex lens of focal length 10 cm. Find the image distance and nature of the image. So what it is given? Object distance. So object distance it is u. Object distance u equal to 20 cm. Next, focal length of the convex lens it is 10 cm. Image distance, we have to find the image distance and also the nature of the image. Now we know already that image object distance it is always taken as negative as per sign convention. So u equal to minus 20. Focal length of convex lens, for converging lens it is positive, so it is taken as positive 10 cm. Now we have to apply these values in lens formula. Lens formula it is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now we have to find the v value. So 1 by v equal to, the formula become 1 by f. This become positive because this goes to this side. So it is plus 1 by u. Now you substitute the values. So 1 by v equal to 1 by f it is 10 cm. Then 1 by u it is minus 20 cm. Now this become 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20. Take LCM 20. So this 2 minus 1 become 1 by 20. So 1 by v equal to 1 by 20. Therefore v equal to 20 centimeter. Now the image distance it is 20 centimeter. The image formation, so v equal to image distance it is 20 centimeter. Nature of the image it is real, inverted and magnified image. Now second problem. An object of height 3 cm is placed at 10 cm from a concave lens of focal length 15 cm. Find the size of the image. So height of the object it is given 3 cm, that is taken as h1, that is 3 cm. Object distance u is given, that is 10 cm. Then focal length f is equal to 15 cm. So we already know that for diverging lens f is negative, and for all the lens object distance is taken as negative as per sign convention. Next, using this formula we have to find the size of the image, that is H2 we have to find. So to find H2, magnification power formula we can use. So M is equal to H2 divided by H1. So related to height, magnification power formula is height of the image divided by height of the object. This magnification power formula, it is related to U and V. It is given as V by U. So by using this formula, we can find the size of the image. But here we have only U value. First we have to find the V value using lens formula. Therefore 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Therefore 1 by V equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U. Now we know the values. So 1 by F it is 1 by minus 15 plus 1 divided by U, it is 10 centimeter. So that is also negative. So now it is minus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10. Take LCM, 30 we get. So minus 2, this minus 3, we get minus 5 by 30, that is equal to minus 1 by 6. So 1 by V equal to minus 1 by 6. Therefore V equal to minus 6 centimeter. Now we get V value. Now you substitute this in the formula. M is equal to H2 by H1 equal to V by U. So H2 it is, we have to find H2 divided by H1, 3 equal to, this is minus 6 divided by U, it is minus 10. So this minus get cancelled. Then you take this 3 this side, we'll get 18 by 10, which is equal to H2 equal to 1.8 centimeter. So we know for diverging lens we get virtual, erect and magnified image.